Hey there, tech heads and gearheads, welcome to Vision Base. Today, we're looking at tech so mind-blowing, it feels like someone stole a blueprint from the year 3000. We're counting down 10 revolutionary inventions, changing our world. Look, I've rebuilt busted V8 engines and run complex CNC machines. But this stuff, it makes a modern EV look like a horse and buggy. We're talking about a cosmic tow truck chasing junk at 17,500 miles per hour and robots with 23 degrees of freedom that cost less than a used pickup truck. This $12 trillion tech wave is shifting reality fast. Stick around because number one is downright terrifyingly genius. Let's dive in. Number 10. The Form Smart Swim 2 AR Goggles. Let's start with something for you, fitness junkies who hate getting water in your nose. If you think swimming laps is boring, try doing it with a literal fighter jet heads up display strapped to your face. The Smart Swim 2 goggles project real-time metrics like your split times, stroke rate, and distance right into your eyeball via a near-eye holographic waveguide display. As a guy who appreciates good ergonomics, these things are a masterclass in engineering. They shrank the tech module by 15% compared to the first generation and threw in a built-in optical heart rate monitor right on the temple. It pairs via Bluetooth 5.2 to your phone, syncing data instantly. Imagine swimming at 2.5 miles per hour while looking at a real-time graph of your burning calories. It's like turning yourself into a human torpedo with a digital dashboard. Number 9. The HEK1 Smart Home Gym. All right, let's talk about space saving. If your garage is like mine, it's packed with tools, car parts, and half-finished projects. You don't have room for a massive multi-station home gym. Enter the HK1. This thing is a mechanical marvel that folds down to just 0.3 meters wide, making it 90% smaller than traditional gym equipment. You could literally slide it under a bed or hide it behind a toolbox. But don't let the size fool you. It packs an electronic resistance motor that can simulate up to 220 pounds of pure digital weight. It tracks your form using high-fidelity motion tracking sensors operating at 60 frames per second, giving you real-time feedback so you don't throw your back out. It offers 320 distinct movements and a rich library of expert-led classes. It's like having a personal trainer who doesn't yell at you or judge you for eating pizza last night. Hey, if you love seeing crazy engineering put to good use, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Number 8. The Unitree G1 Humanoid Robot. Now, if you want to see where my mechanical mind gets a little spooked, but heavily invested, look at the Unitree G1. This is a humanoid robot standing at 1.32 meters tall and weighing just 35 kilograms. It's got 23 degrees of freedom, which means its joints can move in ways that would send a human straight to the emergency room. In fact, it can sprint at 2.5 meters per second and even perform a full 360-degree backflip from a standing position. It's powered by a 9,000 milliamp hour battery, giving it 2 hours of continuous runtime. To see where it's going, it uses a 3D LiDAR system combined with depth cameras to map its environment in real time. But here is the kicker. The price tag starts at just $16,000. That is cheaper than a decent used pickup truck. Imagine a future where this guy is changing your car's oil while you drink a beer. We are living in the future, folks. Number 7. 1X Technologies Neo Beta Humanoid. If the Unitree robot is the industrial, rugged machine, the Neo Beta from 1X Technologies is the friendly neighbor, developed in partnership with OpenAI. This robot is specifically built for home environments. It stands 1.65 meters tall, weighs 30 kilograms, and walks at a natural human pace of 4 miles per hour. Instead of rigid hydraulic pistons or clunky gears that sound like a broken blender, the Neo Beta uses tendon-driven joint actuation wrapped in a soft, 3D printed nylon knit suit. This makes it incredibly quiet and safe to touch. It can lift up to 20 kilograms, and its hands have a delicate grip controlled by advanced neural networks. It's designed to learn by observing human behavior, executing complex household chores. The company is aiming for a production cost between $20,000 and $30,000 as they begin wider home tests. It's literally a real-life Rosie from the Jetsons, just without the sassy attitude. Number 6. Autonomous transport pods. Traffic congestion is the bane of my existence. Sitting in a bumper-to-bumper gridlock, traveling at 4 miles per hour makes me want to pull my hair out. That's why the Whoosh autonomous transport pods are a total game changer. These are lightweight, electric-powered vehicles that glide along elevated, ultra-thin guide tracks installed above existing city streets. Because they operate on a grade-separated network, they bypass ground traffic completely, cruising smoothly at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. They consume 50% less energy per passenger mile compared to standard electric cars. The system uses smart routing algorithms, meaning your pod doesn't stop at every station. It takes you directly to your destination. It can move up to 10,000 passengers per hour per route, effectively cleaning up city air and clearing out the streets below. Seriously, who wouldn't want to fly past traffic? Smash that like button if you're ready for this. Number 5. Endural Dive LD Autonomous Underwater Vehicle. Let's take a dive into the deep blue with some heavy-duty maritime machinery. The Dive LD, built by Endural Industries, is an extra-large autonomous underwater vehicle, XLAUV. This isn't your hobbyist pool toy. It's a massive 5.8-meter-long submarine drone, built using 3D-printed large-format components, which completely slashes production time and costs. It is designed for extreme endurance missions, capable of diving down to 6,000 meters below the surface. That's nearly 20,000 feet, where the pressure is enough to crush a normal steel pipe like a soda can. It can stay submerged for up to 10 days, continuously powered by a massive lithium-ion battery array, driving an ultra-quiet electric drivetrain. It navigates autonomously through the pitch black, using side scans, sonar, and inertial navigation systems. Whether it's surveying deep-sea internet cables or conducting long-range reconnaissance, this machine operates entirely on its own machine learning brain without a human pilot anywhere in sight. Number 4. AST Space Mobile Cellular Broadband. We've all been there. You're driving through a beautiful mountain pass, you need your GPS, and boom, no service. AST Space Mobile is fixing that permanently from orbit. They are building the first and only space-based cellular broadband network designed to connect directly to standard unmodified smartphones. They launched their Blue Walker 3 test satellite, which features a massive commercial antenna array spanning 693 square feet, the largest ever deployed in low Earth orbit. This giant flying satellite dish successfully routed the first ever space-based 5G voice and data call to an everyday smartphone. No satellite dish on your house. No special military phone required. Their upcoming Bluebird satellites will have antennas targeting over 2,400 square feet, operating at an altitude of roughly 300 miles. They are eliminating cellular dead zones across the entire globe, delivering high-speed internet to the middle of the ocean, the Sahara Desert, or your backyard. Number 3. Meta Aria Gen 2 Smart Glasses. Forget looking at your phone screen 150 times a day. Meta's Aria Gen 2 smart glasses are designed to blend the digital and physical worlds seamlessly. These look like normal stylish spectacles, but they are packed with an insane density of sensor hardware. We are talking about multiple RGB cameras, specialized spatial audio microphones, inward-facing eye-tracking sensors, and high-frequency SLAM cameras for precise positional awareness. They even threw in a photoplethysmogram (PPG) sensor on the frame to monitor your heart rate through your skin. It's a jaw-dropping piece of miniature engineering that makes your old smartphone look obsolete. Number 2. Lab-grown cultivated meat. As a guy who loves a good, juicy ribeye steak on a Saturday night, this next technology blew my mind. Cultured or lab-grown meat is no longer a science experiment. It's a massive industrial revolution. Instead of raising, feeding, and slaughtering billions of animals, scientists take a tiny, harmless tissue sample from a cow or chicken, isolate the master cells, and place them inside a stainless steel bioreactor. These bioreactors mimic the inside of an animal's body, feeding the cells a nutrient-rich broth of amino acids and vitamins. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you get pure, genuine meat. This process uses up to 90% less land and 80% less water than traditional cattle farming. It has the exact same cellular structure, taste, and sizzle on the grill, but without the massive environmental toll. Number 1. ClearSpace 1 Space Debris Removal. Right now, spinning around our planet at a blistering 17,500 miles per hour is a ticking time bomb of over 30,000 tracked pieces of space junk, dead satellites, spent rocket boosters, and frozen paint flecks. If two large pieces collide, it triggers a chain reaction that could destroy our entire satellite infrastructure. That is why Swiss startup ClearSpace, backed by the European Space Agency, is planning the ClearSpace 1 mission. This is a specialized hunter-killer satellite equipped with a robotic chaser system featuring 4 articulated robotic arms. It will rendezvous with a targeted piece of space debris, the Proba 1 satellite, physically grab it while tumbling through orbit, and then use its thrusters to plunge itself and the debris back into Earth's atmosphere, burning up safely upon re-entry. It requires sub-millisecond thruster calculations and advanced autonomous machine vision to catch an object moving faster than a speeding bullet. It is the ultimate cosmic tow truck mission, keeping space open for humanity. As a guy who loves solid machinery, seeing human ingenuity tackle everything from global food supply to deep-sea exploration gets my gears turning. But what matters most is what you guys think. Would you sit in an autonomous pod hanging above city traffic? Or would you fire up a backyard grill with a steak grown in a lab? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one of them. Don't forget to check your dashboard, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time right here on Vision Base. Drive safe.